Now that we have taken a look at some of the different organisms within the coastal desert, let's take a closer look at the desert and see how the different organisms interact with one another. Dung beetles, one of the few decomposers within the coastal desert, have a interaction of commensalism with many other animals within the coastal desert. This interaction between the beetle and the other animal is due to the beetle sustaining itself with the other animal's dung, benefiting the beetle, but not harming the other animal in any way. Hermit crabs roam near the coastal side of the coastal desert, looking for shelter in discarded shells from various different animals, such as snails and other crabs. These hermit crabs benefit off of taking discarded shells of the animals, helping the crab but not endangering the other animal in any way, and like dung beetles, this is a type of commensalism. These hermit crabs are able to keep their shells on due to their long abdomens and long legs on said abdomen. They are used to keep the shell attached while the hermit crab roams around. Fish, namely salmon, share two different types of interactions with sea lice. Sea lice are small parasitic crustaceans that feed on the fish to sustain themselves. In this situation, the sea lice, or the parasite, is benefiting off of the fish, or the host, that is being damaged. This is also a showing of mutualism between two organisms. Coyotes are the most dominant species on the coastal desert. This may be due to the fact that there are many carnivores on the coastal desert that could stand up to a carnivorous mammal. The only animal that eats the coyotes are eagles, and that's only when the coyotes are already dead. This makes them on top of the food chain and dominates over every other different living organism on the coastal desert. Mediterranean grass is an exotic species found on the coastal desert. This grass originated from Eurasia and is now fairly widespread throughout many deserts. This grass is an annual type of grass which grows in small clumps and usually in cold temperatures, which makes it fairly widespread within coastal deserts.